Hi guys, so we are back for another haul video today. This haul is kind of focused more on like going back to school or back to uni essentials. Anyone really could like enjoy this haul. It is Flying Tiger. I believe it's a Danish brand from Copenhagen. Pretty sure they're in most cities, most big cities anyway. It has the most weird and wonderful things. Like it's like gadgets, homeware, kitchen stuff, food, gym stuff, stationery, loads of kids games. The store itself is so affordable, so you're never gonna get something that's really, really expensive. First thing, I got this water bottle. These can be really expensive, and this was only £2. And it's got one of them kind of like refrigerated things in the middle, so I think you just put that in the freezer. But great for kids, great for uni, great for life in general, to be honest. This was £3, so a bit more expensive than the others, but for kind of maybe the older kids, it has loads of different sections within the notebook book. Can you see that? Little kind of envelope bit there, really nice. First one, so kind of square things for like maths and calculations and things. Next one's like actual normal notebook. But I just thought it was really, really cute. Easy to kind of dispose of, as it's all probably recyclable. It's all made out of like paper, which I think is really good. Also, gel ink pens, £1 for 2, not bad. I mean, you're probably gonna get £1 in Tesco for a big pack, but these look like nice ones. This is 50p for a little pack of pencils, the black propelling ones, so they're just kind of reusable. Cheap, great stuff. This is something that I thought was just a great idea. This was £1, and it's these little kind of pins. And at uni, these have been great because we always had these little note boards in our rooms, or usually in the lecture classes where you kind of put stuff up. And I always lost pins. And a cute little jar, so you can always reuse that later actually if you don't really want them for pins. I think all of these were £2 each, literally £2 each. So I had a garlic press, which is quite a good one actually. It's like square, it looks like a nice one, so £2, can't go wrong. There was a potato peeler, again £2, can't go wrong. And then all these kind of wooden kitchen essentials, a spoon, whisk, some little tweezers, all £2 each I think. And they're nice ones, like they're not, sometimes you can get kind of really, really thin ones, but they're actually quite sturdy and nice. Little strainer, £2, can't go wrong. Oh, kitchen scissors, something that I wish I'd have known at uni. These were I think only £1 to £2. I think everything is £1 to £2. This is a cute little hand grater, again £2. These are great, I prefer these to normal graters to be honest. I grate garlic and chilli and all that kind of stuff on them, so love them. I got these bag clips, which again, wicked. I think these were only £1. And these are just so useful to have around the house. Foil cutter for the for like wine bottles. Definitely more for uni students or just for anyone who loves a bottle of wine. I definitely do, but I can never get the foil casing when you've got one of them bottles of wine. I just could never do it, or you end up cutting yourself. This is really cool, so you just literally and then twist it around. £2. These little choppers, pull this, it spins and just chops up your veg. I've seen these everywhere and I just never had one, and I never thought where to get it, and I really didn't think Tiger was the place, but I saw it and I thought that is actually so helpful and useful. So £6, love that. Ice cube balls, £2, and they're basically little cases, like a wedge of lime they've put in here as the example, and you just close it, put it in the freezer with some water, and these really cool ice cube balls. Measuring spoons. I know we don't really use kind of spoons as measuring, but regardless, every time I'm reading a recipe and it's like a half teaspoon or a teaspoon of lime juice, I'm like, what's a teaspoon of lime juice? Now I know. And these were again £2, and I think they're just really useful to have around the house. But this was another one. This was Discipline and Brush, £5, but I do think it's really good. It's bamboo as well, so I just thought it was a pretty Discipline and Brush. I don't know how pretty Discipline and Brushes can get, but I thought it was a nice one. A tea bag infuser. I've never seen this. I just think it's the cutest thing. So just put a tea bag in and it just hangs over your mug. £2. Great gift as well. Everything's a great gift. Mug or soup bowl. So you've got the mug, and then you've got this that goes along with it. It just kind of sits in there. This is only £3, and it's really nice. It really is. And there's different colours. I just thought that was quite cute. But yeah, if you haven't been to Tiger, again, give it a go. Let us know what you think. It's a really cool, quirky little store.